Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's been long time I have been active in YouTube. Finally I'm back. So as you all know that 3 to 4 months back I had bought a new Mahindra Thar. So current plan is to do an overlanding and adventure trip in that. So these are all the camping accessories which I bought for the trip. So let me go through one by one, and this will be a series which will have all the camping accessories which I have bought, and it will also include all the modification or accessories which I have added to my Mahindra Thar. So please stay tuned. So for regular updates, please follow me on Instagram at the name Torque Wanderer. So let's start off with the first product. So this is the barbecue grill from the company named Kwiklander. So let's start the unboxing. The barbecue grill comes with a portable bag, and this bag is almost the size of a laptop, which makes it easy to carry. So let's open this box. So in this it comes with top grade cooking grate, which is completely made up of stainless steel, and it is very good quality. Even if you give little more pressure, right, it won't bend. So you get tongs, then you get charcoal tray just to keep the charcoal in it. Let me open it. So this charcoal tray. So here they mention all the do's and don'ts. So this is also of supreme quality. Let me keep it aside. In the market you have multiple options. The reason I went with this company is this is completely made up of stainless steel, and the best part is portability. So in the market which you get is made up of mild steel, and it will have all the toxic coating. So in this you don't have any as such toxic coating in it. In the problem with the mild steel one is there are high chances that the food gets toxicated. So it's better you go with stainless steel. So as you can see there are 4 slots. So this is for the 4 skewers. So they do also have an option of 6 skewers. So based on your requirement you can go for it. The best part about this is how portable it is, and it's easy to open and easy to close. So first thing what you have to do is initially it will be in this position. You have to just open like this, and you have to push this one to the end. Next what you have to do is to just lift it, this thing will open. You need 2 hands, but since I'm recording I'll be trying to do it in a single hand itself. Let me try. It's easy to open and easy to close. Let me show it how it is done. So if you turn back like this, this will directly close, and you can close this on the both sides. If you have to open it, it's very simple. You have to just push it so that this will come down. Yeah, you need 2 hands, but I'm trying to, you can do it in 1 hand as well. So this is how it will look. So the placement of the grate will come on the down. This is the charcoal grate. It will come on the down. So apart from that they give skewers as well. So you can choose, I think by default I think they'll give around 4 or 6. So I had requested for 6, that's the reason I have taken. So it comes with this packaging. Let me open it. And you can see the quality of the skewer as well. It's very premium. So let me open the other skewers as well. So that's how you have to place. So on top of it you get this grate for cooking. So the overall setup looks like this, and you get tongs as well for whatever barbecue you do, right, paneer or chicken, you can, for turning it you can use. So overall it's a solid product, and it's a very premium product. So this product will almost last for a lifetime. So if you are investing, make sure that you invest in a right product and right quality, because you don't want any food contamination with happening in your trip, and it will lead to spoiling of your trip. So this is highly recommended if you are going for a barbecue grill. So you have multiple options in this as well, which is 4 and 6 option. You can contact Kwiklander and follow them in Instagram, and they do sell products in Amazon as well. I'll mention the link in the below. You can check it down. Now let's move on to the other camping accessories which I bought. This is the portable shovel which I bought from Amazon. So it's very compact. That's the reason I went for this product. So let me start the unboxing. So it comes with a small bag pouch, whatever you call, and it's easy to hold. So once you open it, you get something like this. So apart from that, in bag you have nothing. So this is how the shovel looks. So this is how it will open. So you have two sides for it. So you can use for either this way or this way based on your requirement. And to do the setup, what you need to do is, it comes with a grip for holding and you get a proper thread. So you have to thread with this. Let me do it. After the setup, this is how it will look. So based on your need, you can use either of this or both at a time. So if you loosen this thread, you can either use only one when this is not needed, or the similar way, even this. Just I'll show it to you. To loosen this little. Yeah. So either you can use this separately or this separately, or both. So each one folds at 90 degree. So it's a good to have product whenever in case of any emergency for digging or any camping, right? At that time you can use this, where you can't do anything with your bare hand. So you get a bigger version of this. If you have space in your vehicle, you can carry a bigger one, or this one would do the job. So now let's move on to the next one.